everyone. Nice to see all of you. It's Mrs. Crystallite. My ceramic students, I absolutely loved seeing the drawings, the photographs, the ideas you had for your fruit or vegetable inspired place setting. They were wonderful. Thank you so much. If you are an underclassman, maybe you'll be able to actually make your place setting that you design when we all get back in the studio in the fall. Fingers crossed. Okay. This week is going to be the final week of any new ceramics class assignments. This is it. We'll spend next week, the week of the 18th through the 22nd, just totally publishing artwork, finalizing grades. It'll give you a chance if you have any past due work that you need to get done. That's the week to do it. So this is it, guys. You made it. As far as firing, all glaze firing has been completed. I unloaded the kilns, photographed all your work, and uploaded it all to Artsonia. If you complete an artist statement with your glaze work, then I will give you the points for that. The more points you have, the better your grade's going to be. If you don't do an artist statement, I can't penalize you because not everybody was able to come get their work so that they could have it fired. So I will just exempt those grades, okay? We'll do what we got to do here. Dr. Harris, our superintendent, the word is he's going to be sending out plans for both teachers and students to re-enter the buildings to close things out, and it's going to be based upon a schedule that continues to use the social distancing so everybody stays safe. If you weren't able to pick up your work before the glaze firings, I've packaged everything up, all your projects, the glazes that you told me you needed way back. I think it was week 4, that email. You say, if I could finish this, I would use this glaze color. I packaged everything up. If you are able to come back in the building, you're just going to grab your bag. If you glaze your work over the summer, bring it back in the fall. I'll fire it for you in the fall, and then you'll have finished projects. Okay, so it'll work out. All right, this week, let's switch screens here. I'm going to move this over. There you go. This week, I'm going to make this a little bigger. Very simple, easy work here to wrap the year up. You're going to look at the heading. It says online assignments beginning 5/11, May 11th. The first assignment is only 2 graded assignments, guys, and everything's going to be due on May 15th, okay? First assignment is the Average Everyday Joe weekly email. I'm going to ask that you explore some virtual ceramics apps. There's a really cool one that I've been playing around with. You can do all kind of neat stuff. So if you're able to explore apps, I'm going to ask you to do that. If you're not able, I understand. Just let me know. Email me. Tell me to have a happy summer. Okay. The second graded assignment and the final one is going to be this it's a very entertaining article, and it's a very brief article about an 18-year-old ceramic student and what he did to ask some really deep questions about the meaning, the value of art. I think you're going to enjoy it, okay? The graded portion of this is, once you read the article, is to go to this "What is the value of art?" Google form and answer the questions. There's only a few questions on the article itself, but there's some kind of end of year assessment questions and to really get you thinking and send you off into the summer in a great frame of mind. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for keeping up with things, keeping on top of things. I know it hasn't been easy on anybody, but pat yourself on the shoulder. You did a really good job, okay? I look very much forward to seeing your responses. As always, let me know if there's anything you need, anything I can do for you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. Bye.